Hello everybody, my name is Jasmine aka Marisol, and within the series I want to teach you how to make basic Korean knots. But without further ado, let's get started with today's knot. Today's knot is called the 매화매듭 or Plum-Blossom-Knot. To start off, I have prepared our practice string. This is just two pieces of 80 centimeter long string tied together at the top. The string that I'm using is called braided nylon cord. It's 2 millimeters thick. This one is from Griffin. This is not sponsored in any way. It's just the one that I'm using right now, and you can find it linked in my description if you need it. Now to start off our 매화매듭 or plum blossom knot, I want to take my strings vertically, like so. And then I'm gonna just hold everything in my right hand and start by wrapping my left string, in my case the black string, around my left index finger, like so. I just place it on top, wrap it around once like this. Just to check in, when you have done that, your top part, your start part should be here, kind of pinched between your index and middle finger. Then the string wraps once around and goes out to the back like this. When you have done that, you're ready to take your white string or the string on the right side and form a loop with it like so. It's hard to determine the size from the loop from the get-go. Just make it rather a bit too big than too small. Next up, I'm going to take the top part of the loop, like this one right here, put it over our index finger, left to the black string, wrap it once around, then go around my middle finger down here, once around. Then I'll repeat that same step, again left from the loop we've made previously. So here on the very left, wrap it around my middle finger. And that's it. If you have a lot of excess string, like I do, you can just pull on your right string and it should disappear. So right now your setup should look like this. You have one black loop over here, then two white loops, and two white loops down here. Now I'm just gonna pull up this white and black loop a bit. And I'm going to take my black string and from the left side, push it through these two loops. Just pull it all the way through. Then you want to put your black string underneath your white string. So I'm gonna just put that to the side. See how it goes under there? Then you'll take your black string again, loosen up the loop down here on your middle finger, and pull through the black string, like so. Also, don't worry, now that the string is pulled through, you can just let completely go of this loop. Finally, this time from the right side, I'll push my string through these two loops up here again. Okay, going on, I'll just prop up the black loop a bit. Then again, go through the black loop from the left side. Now we need to do one extra step in contrast to last time. So when you flip your knot a bit like this, you should see that over here is some black string where we previously weaved everything through. Pull that out a bit and right here between the black string and the white string, put the black string through there. Like so. Then again, take off the white loop from your middle finger, push through the black string. Also on this side, you can also see the black string over here. From the bottom, move your black string beneath that. And finally, once again, through our black loop up here, but this time from the right side. Congrats, the knotting part is done. Let's just pull out our index finger. And now it might look something like this. You can already see those two loops on the side here being very prominent. And since there are two white loops on this side, there need to be two black loops on this side. So one is here and the other one is down here. Now I just always put my fingers through all of the loops and pull at them at the same time. If I see that I can't get any further with this, I just pull on the bottom and the top end of the string. Sometimes I also pull individually on the loops. Right now our goal is just to make that very tight. Doesn't really matter how the loops or like the top part over here looks. Now let's make that knot pretty. I will take my awl to like pull the string. You can do everything with your hands. It's just for me, I've been doing a lot of knots recently, so my hands hurt a bit and this helps. So what you want to do is from the top, watch where your string goes, and if you somewhere have excess string, you want to just pull that string further through the knot so it comes out at the end. I know that's a bit hard at the start, but let's just do it. So I see there's some extra string here. So I'm going to just pull down here, pull it into the loop, and you don't need to know where everything is going right from the get-go. If you're unsure, just test pull a bit, see where it lands. Just take your time. Also, how big you want the loops to be is totally up to you. That's something based on preference. And this is one side done. I'm gonna just really quickly finish the other side. And this is me with both sides done. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You have made a Plum-Blossom-Knot or 매화매듭. Now, one more thing that I like to do for aesthetic purpose is like right here in the middle where all the strings meet. I like to take like a sharp object like my awl and just poke through. Like not damaging the string, but just poking through the middle so that then there's kind of like, might be a bit hard to see on camera, but there's kind of like this see-through hole in the middle. I just think it makes the knot look a bit nicer, but of course, that's my preference. You really don't have to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, maybe give it a like or subscribe for more content coming up. If you're interested in getting Norigae or Norigae inspired items and you've just realized that making them yourself is not for you, that is of course totally valid. And if you'd like, you can check out my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description. See ya!